Welcome, today in front of me ODYS Thanos 10 and I'll show you how to turn off Hey Google feature on this device. So now we can see that the Hey Google is activated. And if you want to turn off this feature, we should launch the Google application. And after that, tap here on this icon, then click to the settings and tap to the voice section. Then click to the voice match, and now just to turn off Hey Google feature, we should click here only once on this feature and then just click here to OK. And now when I'm saying Hey Google or OK Google, we can see that this option is turned off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.